If you guys ever get a lotion pump bottle from the grocery store or from your price club like Costco or BJ's, sometimes they're tough to open. You're supposed to grab the cap and twist the nozzle counterclockwise like this. You spin it around and it should pop up. Sometimes it's a problem though. Sometimes they give you a, I'm trying to help it along and it's still not coming up. A trick is to hold it upside down and with your thumb and index finger apply pressure on a different spot of the bottle to move the pressure around, and then grab the cap and twist the nozzle counterclockwise. It should pop up. This one is giving me a very hard time, so sometimes it's difficult. So we gotta take drastic measures. We gotta unplug, we gotta unscrew this. Let's go to the sink. It might get a little messy. And we are gonna pull the stick out, and then we're gonna clean off the shampoo, and I'm gonna get a paper towel and dry it off. I'm gonna dry it all off so I can grip it. And what we have to do is we have to hold the stick as we twist the nozzle counterclockwise. I'm going to grab the stick with the paper towel, and I'm going to spin the nozzle here. It should pop right up. Man, this one's tough. I can't tell if it's spinning. I got rid of the paper towel. I'm going to grab it with my fist. I'm going to get a good grip and spin that thing. It should pop up. Oh, this one's tough. Drastic measures. I got to get a tool. Let's get a pliers in here. Let's get the plier on here. Oh, I got it now. Now I got it. Here we go, guys. You ready? You getting excited? This is going to pop right up. Here we go. You guys ready? Yes! Instant replay. Instant replay in slow motion. Whoa. Let's put everything back together and put it in its proper place in the shower. I'm going to get ready now and take a shampoo. Let's get that money shot. Get the money shot. What you've been waiting for. Oh, it feels so good. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.